What's up, everybody? My name's Keith Jesse. I'm the social media guy at Holley, and this is my 1979 Malibu known as the Hoodrat Hot Rod. If this car looks familiar, it's probably because you've seen it in some Holley Days ads full of elves and reindeer doing donuts and burnouts. I actually opened the trunk this morning at the state park we stayed at, and there was a reindeer in there. So it's a 79 Malibu G-body with a 408 Texas speed motor. It's got a T56 from American Powertrain. It's got a Curry 9-inch rear end, ride tech suspension, Holley EFI. I used the Hooker G-body LS swap kit to put the motor in this thing. So I have the Hooker mounts, headers, transmission cross member, all that good stuff. It's running on Holley EFI. It's got a Holley EFI 7-inch dash, and I'm also using a 3.5-inch touchscreen with a GPS speedometer. I couldn't bring it on the first couple days of power tour because the wipers don't work and it has no heater or defroster. So it's impossible to drive this thing when it rains because the windows fog up so bad. Shout out to Mom and Dad for meeting me in Kentucky, bringing my car to me on a trailer so I could drive it the rest of the way on power tour. Tomorrow we're actually going to be driving back through the place that I first saw this car. When I was in tech school at UNOH in Lima, Ohio, my roommate, Colton Glacar, bought this car off some dude on Craigslist for 1,400 bucks. It supposedly had a 383 stroker in it. Later on, we learned that was not the case. It was just an old truck motor. He had to move back to Canada, couldn't take the car with him, so he sold it to me cheap. For the last 4 or 5 years I've been at Holley, I've been working on making it something fun to drive that's also reliable and capable at the racetrack. It's real nice here today in Indianapolis, and I'm hoping we make it the rest of the way to Norwalk and back to Bowling Green with no problems. Stay tuned to Holley social media for more on our trip. Hopefully nothing else breaks. Fingers crossed. If you want to know more about my car, check out Hoodrat Hot Rods on Facebook or Instagram.